next. We're talking the bread and butter of our economy, oil and gas. Changes are coming to the industry. The Railroad Commission of Texas has proposed new rules for oil and gas waste management. It will be the first time in 40 years those rules have changed. News West 9's Tyler Dupnick explains tonight what it means for us here in the Permian Basin.
In 2009, for example, somewhere near 200,000 barrels a day was being produced in the Permian.
As production in the Permian Basin has grown significantly in 15 years,
It's being about 6.3 million barrels a day.
so has waste produced with it.
We're averaging about anywhere from 3 to 7 barrels of water per day per barrel of oil.
New waste management rules have been in the works for years now, says Michael Lozano of the Permian Basin Petroleum Association.
This rule is one that we're hoping to work to modernize, to work better for our needs and, of course, the needs of the state. We have better technologies than we ever have had before, and I think in implementing those technologies and being supportive of the rule, we want to make sure that we're advancing and creating some environmental progress to also coincide with our economic development.
Some of that economic development comes from the sector of produced water, one of the main forms of waste the new rules will help address.
Previously, like I said, the rule really considered these operations as obligated of operators because it was a waste stream, it wasn't a commodity. And now with that shift with economics and different markets out there for treatment and recycling, that I think is a huge shift.
Lozano says the rules are flexible and will create a commercial permitting process, opening more opportunity for operators to innovate in that space.
By working diligently with the commission and experts across the fields, expanding beneficial reuse has been such a priority for our membership and a priority for the industry. And I think produced water solutions are vital to the health and growth and vitality of the industry, and certainly for the Permian.
With the new rules expected to be adopted before the end of the year, there is belief behind the benefits they can provide for everyone.
We know what we want to do, and that's to ensure we protect groundwater and we're safe and responsible and mindful of environmental protection. We obviously want to prevent waste. We want to make sure that we're moving product to market. We're benefiting taxpayers. We're benefiting the environment. Those are priorities for us, regardless of the issue. And if we can accomplish those things in any different way that we can, we want to make sure we're allowing those.
Tyler Dupnick, News West 9, Permian Basin.